Hey friends, welcome to Sustain or Refrain, where we test out sustainability hacks and products so you don't have to. Today we'll be trying these low-waste dishwasher pods from Drops. They're available on Amazon, which we love because lazy. Here's my dishwasher. She's full and dirty and ready to be cleaned. So I'm just going to pop in one of these pods and with a snap, the dishes are done. That was pretty fast, wasn't it? And wow, these look super clean and shiny. There's not a speck of food to be found. But what I really love about these pods is that they're about the same price as the ones I had been using, and they come in cardboard instead of a plastic jug. This is actually the box they shipped in, and when all the pods are gone, the packaging can be recycled so easily. Plus, this box fits so much better in my pantry than my old non-eco-friendly container. I'm going to say this is a habit we can definitely sustain. What should I try out next? Let me know in the comments.